We are preparing a shade net here on our terrace, a very low cost shade net. We have used a PVC pipe on which we have fixed one end of the shade net. We have rolled the net to the pipe with the help of ziplocks, and at the lengths of the shade net we are using galvanized wire. We have used the wire to weave through the shade net. We have punched holes and put this type of rivets here, fix the rivets, and through those rivets we are weaving the wire. We're going to weave the wire and fix it at the other end. This is the other end where we have just put hooks. This type of hooks we have put one, then this is the second one, and this is the third one. This pipe, this 10 feet pipe, will come whole at this other end. We were not sure whether we could use the full pipe, so here we cut it into halves and connected it with the help of a connector, but at the other end we are going to use the whole 10 feet pipe. This is how we are going to fix it, fix the wire and the shade net we are going to fix on the pipe at the other end. This is the ready-made shade net which we have prepared. It's a 50% shade net and it has come out very nicely. It's a very low cost shade net which we have prepared. My husband has helped. In fact, he has erected the full shade net. I've just helped him a bit. We have used wire, PVC pipes and ziplocks. With just these three materials, we have erected the shade net.